little ghost, you're listening.
Leave my eyes.
Unlike most, you
These
don't
as well.
miss a thing.
Judging by your
You
wrists and
see
your
the
wits,
truth.
your childhood was very happy.
You should have let me die.
I walk the halls invisibly.
Why am I worth
I
the
climb
marks?
the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want
You have to go in there, don't you? I recognize the look.
I want to be heard.
I want to be powerful. This is not where you came from.
Wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger.
Days were calm,
Inside
and the nights were restless.
me ugly pretty.
You left us.
Forgive me.
Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but together we can.
Worry if you blink, you'll never see her again. You're in love with her.
So take my hand and perfectly.
Did you always want to become a mother?
I dream of becoming important to someone. Who is Yennefer?
You're important to me.
Though you didn't want to lose her, you will.
You already have.
I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.
The moment I dread most every time you leave.
My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside.
You wanted to show me what I was missing.
Ugly pretty.
There she goes.